Hey, what's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I want to show you guys the truck build. I've been doing little modifications to my Silverado here and there, and it's pretty much close to what I've been trying to do. So I'm gonna give you a little quick peek at it and see where I'm at right now. Here it is. So with the mods that I did to the truck, as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. Basically, I want to go with a black and red theme on the truck. We'll start the back here. The 4x4 decal switched out to the black with red outline. Got my firefighter sticker there with the thin red line. Bed cover, pretty standard, nothing spectacular. I have the calipers painted red. These are the black wheel skins that I bought just to cover the factory wheels. They just snap on. Those are about $100. I upgraded the tires here. The factory ones were 31 inch. These are 33s. Which added about a little bit of lift to the truck. Running boards. In one of my previous videos, you might have seen, I installed these running boards. They're still holding up pretty good. Up top here, I have AVS low profile rain guards. Loving the low profile look, nice and tight, but they still stand out. You know, you can see them from far away, which is perfect. Windows. Front windows are tinted, a little bit lighter than the backs. Interior wise, I didn't do anything. I just put some seat covers on to protect the seats. And it's pretty standard inside. Once again, calipers painted. Hood decal from ChevyParts.com. That was around 150 bucks for those. Those went on about 30 minutes. Up front here, I have the tow hooks. Those are painted red. And the bow ties painted red also. So that's the theme, the black and red theme. Turned out pretty nice. I'm digging it. Some of you may have seen in my previous videos that I did a front end leveling kit. That's one of the mods, the first mods that I did. It leveled the truck out pretty good. And that was a Rough Country 2.5 inch leveling kit that I put on the front. Okay, so in the future, I plan on putting on some different wheels. I'm going to go with some 20s and then still have the 33-inch wheels. So that means I'm going to have to switch up the whole setup that I have going on right now. Also a Flowmaster exhaust. Thinking of going with the American Thunder, somewhere mid-range. I don't want to be too loud. The American Thunder system I had on my Challenger before, which sounded great, so it should sound pretty good on the Silverado here, because it's 8-cylinder, 5.3 liter, so it should sound pretty good. So I'll do a video on that when I get that in the mail. That way you guys can see what the install looks like on the Silverado. Other than that, I would just like to thank you all for checking me out. Hit like, share, subscribe. Once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Check you out next time. Thanks, bye.